Yes, so people, there it is.
Continue for 3 kilometers.
So now we're going to Devon House now. Right? Going to Devon House. Easy. Drive around easy. Washington thing. People them patient, you know. People them really humble, you know. Sun hot. Well, I'm glad about this journey. This is my first time really driving by myself through Kingston, and I'm very happy about that. You know, we're in the States for a long time, you know, and we don't really know our country that well. When you leave when you're younger, there's nothing you can do. I know certain places in our country, you know certain places in our town. That's how we all move around. So I don't want you to make up the noise and make no funny sound, because Randy's not a town man. So today we help a nice gentleman and a homeless man. That was our mission for today. The Almighty guide me and protect me from all energies of negativity. This is 2021. Big up yourself, call man called Drunko. All the fans and all the supporters, them Janet, just help out the lady that we spotlighted. The lady in need right there, so. And everybody that's doing good for the country, for uplift the country. We do it for Jamaica, we not do it for ourselves. To the Almighty be the glory. Because this is not really my story. You know, one of the people them for know me. It's a long time I tried it and we just move through. So choose the blessings and choose the positive conversation with I got an email, a lady said to me, Randy, you know, say things stress out and thing, and you know, when you talk to the leaders of tomorrow, you know, if you bring them fear and tell them don't trust nobody, but they won't pick me. I'm going to say it again. In this country and any other country in the world, the word trust, you must only trust the Almighty. Trust in the all. You see me? Only trust in the all. I tell you now, only trust in the all. People, you don't put your trust in our people. So I'm tell the future leaders them again. Take care of your children. You see me? And trust the all. People, you have to give them time to reveal themselves. So I just human nature wherever you go, Jamaica, everywhere, Brooklyn, New York, same thing. When people call you and you think so they mean you well, me learn some lesson, man. And enough fake people out there, right? You look them on there. What go on? Just a yell enough, you know? Just a yell enough. Alright, sir. Alright. Them things say somebody they don't know say, and they move with the Almighty, me I'll slow down and yell at people and say, what go on? Eh? I say to them, what are they for? Eh? What are they for? And them say, how would that? Them things tell them friend enough. Me say me frighten people, say. Me say me love frighten people. But then things say somebody know them. One day I go drive up in a Corvette and a Lamborghini. I say, what go on, brother? A long time I don't see you. How that? Are you? You man, what you mean? You know me, I didn't go on. And they say, yeah, I'm here, yeah. same Bridget come check him the Corvette and the Lamborghini and just give him my money. Well, go on, yes, now. What yes, I said. Watch the man. Easy now, brother. Jeez. Easy now. So, what I got you now? Capital City. Over there. Rodney Road, there, so. The place name now. Alexandra Road, Whitfield Avenue. Where we know? Bethune Avenue. Coming up, Capital. Okay. Spanish Town Road. That one there. Real Jamaica. Pull up on them now. But they're in the wrong lane. I'm gonna watch them go out. Watch them, I'm gonna push out. I'm gonna push out, you know. Yeah, see? I'm gonna push out, you know. Bad time, Brooklyn driver. So I'm gonna push out. Maxfield Avenue, I'm there. I'll stop at Maxfield Avenue, go check my bridge in them. Maxfield Avenue, yeah. Jamaica, good life. Yeah, watch yourself. Say a Brooklyn driver will come through. You have phone? Chat. Say a bad man around there. Move through. We'll go anywhere in the world. Anytime. Anywhere. Kingston. Yeah, man. Come now. She advertise something look like goat or cow to eat. She have our sign come inside now. Them drive fast, you know. But watch yourself. They will pull out for you. I give them a hard time today. Garbage man in my work, garbage truck business almost get into. It's a win-win situation that get the right people for link up with. Yeah, big up man called Eccleston, you know it's set already. On the journey, I sure know the place. Going to Devon House to go check out some ice cream. Rum and raisin are my favorite, grape nut too. 6 minutes to Devon House. A1 wrecking service. That's what I must call. 120 Maxfield Avenue. 9262292. 9262292 if you don't want a record truck in a Kingston to pick up on a thing. Man, check out the place and I learn the place, you know, running up on Maxfield Avenue, I'm going like say my bad man. So the people them there do them thing. I call to some people and let them know something about, you know. Nobody know you don't run this, stop your foolishness. You think it's a country there, boy? Life good, man. It's a journey, you know. All the people that come from them area, big up on yourself. Wish I was going. I'm gonna come back to Kingston, man, soon. But I have to take care of the Jamaica Good Life House. So when I come, when you guys come back home to Kingston, remember you're gonna stay at the Jamaica Good Life House, okay? So you're gonna stay in Jamaica in style, and it's a lengthy interview process basically. You know, you hear anybody will want open at the house cause some people will, you know, mess up it for the neighbors them and thing. Alright. Easy, easy.
In 500 meters,
So we'll link up with Jamaica Good Life House, just 646-330-9150. From our members before, if you want to really visit your family in Kingston and you want to stay someplace no mosquitoes, someplace very upscale and nice, that is where you go to the Jamaica Good Life House. But watch the patrol, brother. Patrol is not dangerous, you know? Alright, just like this thing. What we there now? We could check. Holy Childhood High School, they about the place. Yeah. Good, yeah man. Cars of the world. Yeah. Okay. Up on it. So I can move. Indicate up on them blouse and skirt. Watching the self taxi man. I go to the left. Watching the self, you know. One and run there come through. Brother, don't try it to that. Don't. Time driver, I know. JP is the player, light bill lesser.
continue on Rutherford Road for 800 meters.
I like the adventure. I have to learn. In a life, you want to live somewhere, you drive around, learn the place. You want to forget for no people, drive around, learn the place. Just have to do it. Jamaica Employment Fund.
In 300 meters,
Yeah,
turn left onto Trafalgar Road.
Trafalgar Road, I'll come up. I told them, turn up. Stay up on your corners, brother. Through the
Turn
fire.
left onto Trafalgar Road.
Trafalgar Road people, run up on it. See it there? Right over there, say you have the Petroleum Corporation of Jamaica. Alright, so make we move that one, you know. Everybody I do them thing, empirical optics of Jamaica. This is Jamaica Good Life, just I go through Kingston
In
right
200
now.
meters, turn
I
right
get some
onto
ice
Trafalgar
cream from Devon House, you know. I've never been to Devon House. So, Jamaica is a little New York City, just with a better climate, and make sure so your vehicle good enough because joke thing. So we meet one homeless man today. And I can't coordinate everything, so what I have to do is just contact Kevin and send a little Western Union for Kevin and make him text on the back when him get the money. And he must contact Shorty, the homeless man, and just take care of him. That's how my Jamaica My JGL Nation, you know. I just saw we help people, you know. Thanks to all the ladies, mostly women support this movement, you know. Enough man jealous. So we do big things for the country. So to all my Jamaican good life family, we support what me I do and support the people them and get the people them help.
Turn right.
Big up on yourself. Love you.
You will arrive at your destination.
Love you. Thanks for the support. So we're gonna support Shorty and get him some food. So maybe wanna link me still. Or somebody just link Kevin and I'll send the thing to Kevin, you know? I'll make sure say him send me a picture when Shorty get food or send me a video. That would be nice. I hope the police not gonna say nothing to me, you know. I just the patrol them, you know. The patrol around the place, you know. And police we get ticket for when we're dropping a patrol. We shall get the police them ticket. For real. So the park there. You know, so me come down too far. Trafalgar Road. National Stadium is nearby, you know. So you ask yourself more time whenever you hear the concept of a lot of crime in Jamaica, they say about 70 this year. Nobody ever break down the type of crime. Them say a lot of murders. Nobody ever really break down for the people what kind of murders, how much gang related, you know.
You have arrived.
What do you mean? I never know it's not. Okay, so where the ice cream place there? How about you? So, where am I gonna get the ice cream? So we're going at this, go get the ice cream. Tell me something good, yeah. Tell me that you exit only, no entrance, alright. So help me out now. Alright. Okay, see, them not give me no entrance for them or no, so I'm going there, so what am I missing now? You see how people so they mess me up. But it's still on you so one time, you know. But it's still on Airbnb on you so one time. See it there? Look there. I not get it. That don't make no sense. Google Maps? Yeah, sleep on the job. What we don't know. Google Maps, I'm disappointed now. Google Maps, I'm disappointed now. Just you know. Drive on Explorer still. But too far on exploration. Alright people, back on the trail. So now, you want to do? I want to find Devon House ice cream. I know some say the Devon House GPS thing. You could jump down here, so. Back at it. Could go around here, so. No washing this morning. Montana. Check this out. Give thanks to the vehicle. Devon House Road. Oh, come on, okay. Chop on there, so what if I cook like that? Alright, so let me make you go on over there. Let me make you go on. Devon House Road. Take a right. So if you're a tourist, we search for the Google Maps. Alright, this makes no sense. Devon House ice cream right there. They have no signs whatsoever, and they say here no entry. Okay, so that means it must be over a different side over there. And they have no signs. So Devon House people, help the tourists them that's coming in. So help us. If you say no entry here, you have to point us to where the entry is. It is just the right thing to do. When you do the right thing, you know, some man like Randy directionally challenge, and everybody have sense, you know. Miss Bravo, big up yourself. So this is the Great Devon House location. So now where me I go enter? Probably from that end over there. Man, taste the rum and raisin still, you know. Just say I know. So around there, big up on yourself. You know, someone like show my face up in the camera all the time. Because this is not about me. I show you the views. And I love it unconditionally. Take care of yourself. This is Jamaica good life. See the people that might live on a ride bicycle. Big man that ride tricycle. Yeah. Devon House. So alright. So this is the whole compound. So I take a left here. I'm gonna circle back around and see. Since 1881. Darren, big up yourself. Violetta and Diana. Thank you guys for a great time. So I did the waterfront at Devon House. We can't go Pegasus with the dirty clothes. Curry chicken dash up on my pants. And my shoes have some hands. Alright. We can see if we can do this. Mighty Randy. Alright, see if we find an entrance. So that, my friends, is Devon House over there. And look there. See there? A gate here. And me no see no entrance. See the house there? Maybe a circle back around there, so. Look on the big tree, sir. Is that a cotton tree? Oh, what a piece and safety. Alright, this is the big Devon House location. Someone selling food. You see, everybody also, you know, another damn thing, you know. Jamaicans make a way for themselves. Big up to all Jamaicans. The one that know also the carry thing. For them own. The car cleaner them support the man with them food. The car cleaner man support the man with them food. You see me? We're good. A makeup? What's that makeup? Why you not clean the glass? Yo. Come over here, sir.
God bless
I want you to split it between two of them.
Drive safe.
Alright?
Yeah.
You hear me, sir? Give the man them a little thing. We split it, you know. Remember Jamaican man and they must come out and support the youth them, you know. Make them split up the blessings. Now I'll try to find the entrance. See it here? But it's a no. It's a mostly entrance this now. Yeah man, find it. Support the youth them. Eating, no eating zone. I hope I'm not getting a hassle from my brother and I watch my camera. Watching myself people. I'm gonna tell me not to record. There's some free Wi-Fi there. Watch it. Morning, sir. Welcome. Wear face mask. Maintain. Avoid touching your face. Alright, so see ya. I reached Devon House, people. Finally, first time. Yeah. Country boy come at Devon House, come eat ice cream. You know, dirty around the sea already. You know, so the dirty boy not forgot away. You know? When I drive car at Kingston and I come buy ice cream. I'm to the boy, man. Chop. Big up CC. Yeah, under the tree. Devon House ice cream with Randy. Eat curry chicken and full with belly. In Jamaica, you know, so we always hungry. Climb pear tree and eat mango. Go a river and catch some Django. This is Randy. Right now, people, we're about to get some rum and raisin. It's gonna be an all-day ice cream fest. Gala, big up yourself. Jason, no say nothing. Bolton, take care of himself. You listen now, Jamaica good life. We're gonna eat some ice cream now, so follow me. We're finally at Devon House. And we're going to eat some ice cream. Cause you know some my belly long. And you know some I have a little bit of money. We spend $1,000 on the youth them today. Clean the window, make them split it. Them get $500 a piece. We get $2,000 to the homeless man there, so. Buy some food. And we're going to take care of the homeless man there, so. That is the mission for today. So when the Almighty bless you, you must pass the blessing on. Cause remember say life short, you know. Only dead. But instead I get a 200 buckle of alcohol, just drive around the place and spread the love, you know. I might look at change, you know. I'm about to send me no money, so I'm going about to the business. I live my life. This is my best life. 2021. Blessings to everybody. Love. I'll go get some ice cream. Lord of Craven boy Randy in a Kingston with the dirty car. Sometimes when I go places, the places that I'm going now, I can't look too clean, you know. Because sometimes if you look too clean, the amount of money them chastise you for. So sometimes I have to dash with some curry for me and look a little dirty. Who want to hang out with dirty Randy? See the dirty boy there? At any given time we can be royal, and any given time we can be straight. So where we come from? New York City, and we know if we do it, Brooklyn. So we're real. We're so real, we're real about the thing. And enough fake people we meet on the journey. Brooklyn we come from, we're real about the thing. Sometimes we can be gangster, sometimes we can be corporate. Devon House, I say. Bless up on yourself. For the wallet there. Alright, wallet in my back pocket. Alright, I could check it out now. Face mask at all times. And the face mask there. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Alright, so people, we're at Devon House right now, and we're in Kingston. When you stay at the Jamaica Good Life House, you get to go to Devon House and eat some of the best ice cream in Jamaica. They also have a spa. You see how we switch it up from gangster to a corporate in a matter of a second. They also have a spa. Okay. Clean sand service. Devon House information. Booth and tickets. Okay. Have to buy a ticket. Devon House gate. Let's hear a cafe. Yeah. Welcome to Portugal. Where's it, Mouse? Pizzeria. There's a restaurant and steakhouse.
Looking for the restaurant?
No, I'm up for the ice cream place.
The ice cream?
Where can I buy ice cream?
Go back to there.
Mm-hmm. All right.
Maybe take that.
Thank you. There's a bakery. And okay, so you can take a tour of the house. Keep off of the lawn. And there's the shop. This cafe place. Alright. It's a nice little complex of things to do. You can meet some nice ladies around here. Some nice ladies. I'll take some picture with ice cream and thing. Go pose with them. You know what? Me not no picture. Okay, all right. So, where's the entrance? Thank you.
Morning, sir.
Morning.
Could you please tell us what's coming?
So I have to order the ice cream first? Okay, so let me just have one with 2 scoops of let me get 1 scoop of rum and raisin and one scoop of rum and raisin. Yeah, 1 scoop of rum and raisin and more with grape nut.
So you tell them the flavor, yeah?
Okay.
So you can do cone or waffle cone.
Make it a waffle cone. 1,000? Thank you. So this is the famous ice cream place. Flavors are have a grape nut and rum and raisin. I was looking for something more exciting. I was looking for more. Okay. Whole year me I save up for this ice cream. Whole year me I save up for the ice cream. Yeah man. Do it the best way you can. So you say you put the rum and raisin on it. Yeah man. A country me I come from, a first time me I come. Alright, I'll take care of it. Alright, thank you. See there people, never knows people, them take care of country people too, you know, because first time I come to town and the ice cream nice and brown, you know, see the chocolatey. Maxine, you know, see the chocolatey, look on the vanilla, boy. So I don't think you have to talk up your thing, you know. You know, so the first time I come, you know, I didn't expect a whole heap of painting and ice cream all over the place, you know. You know me, I say, whole heap of pictures and things. Oh, okay, the place, that's what I say. Take it easy.
If you go some of the stores, maybe you see.
Whole heap of things, okay. See rum and raisin here, right yourself. I spot it. Now I left it today. So much for one of them now. If you want to buy the whole jug. 10 grand. Then you can sneak out one out back for me. Is about $10,000 for that. $9,500. So you can slip one out of the back for me. So no swing, but they expect to eat ice cream and no swing on a swing. None of that. And we didn't expect a girl to eat the ice cream with me too, you know. I'm like, oh, them take care of me still. Go bring my daughter. Best ice cream in the world. Thank you, you take care of my good man. Alright, Tom, take care of yourself, yeah? Alright. Alright, take care of yourself. Thank you. See that, let me take care of my man. Jamaica good life, see that? Country boy Randy. Country boy Randy, make it. Yes, people, you know, say all the way from New York City me drive just for ice cream. And now I will get a seat. Yeah, man. See the place there? The road to the club. Okay. Alright, my people.